This week we're going to talk about the king prawn and how we can turn it into an incredible tasty dish. We're going to create a dish today using these king prawns. These are farmed out of Asia. They come clean, deveined, so they're ready to cook straight away. We're going to cook a linguine dish with it. So we've got some cooked linguine, onion, butter, a little bit of white wine, some garlic puree. I'm using some wild garlic pesto, but normal basil pesto will suffice on this. Very small amount of chili flakes to give that a little bit of heat. Obviously king prawns and a little bit of butter to finish. We'll start off by bringing this pan up to temperature, nice and warm, and feel the heat coming into there. Splash of oil in the bottom. We need to start bringing up the flavours, so we start off with your onions going in. We start cooking those out. We add a spoonful of garlic puree. Now you really need some smell-o-vision. Smells coming off there, incredible. We go straight in with your king prawns. Keep them moving. We don't want to be overcooking them. We want those flavours to be coming through. We add a spoonful of pesto. It's about half a teaspoon of chili flakes going in there. Cherry tomatoes can go in. Whole is good. So when you're eating it, you get that bite and a burst of flavour of the tomatoes that come through. And then your white wine. So it's starting to create that sauce now, which is going to coat the pasta. Keeping it moving, cooking those prawns out. Starting to change colour nicely. And we'll start adding, it's about 100 grams of butter we're going to add to this. It's quite a bit of butter, but that's going to be the velvety texture which coats that pasta. A little bit of butter. We don't want to be cooking those prawns for too long, they'll go rubber. Really nice texture to them. And then, as the pasta is already cooked, that goes in at the last minute. Cooked off really nicely. We're going to finish up just with some chives. A little bit of salt. And there you have king prawn linguine. We'll finish that with a few pea shoots set on the top, and there you have your king prawn linguine. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Whittle TV.